How to fix too many friends on Snapchat. So if you're seeing the error of too many friends, then what you can do is long press on your app and then go to app info. So you'll see the option of clear data, so go ahead and click on that and then click on clear cache. So if this is still not working, go ahead and uninstall this app by clicking on uninstall and then reinstall it. So if this is still not working, then it may be because you have reached a 2500 friend limit. And if you have, then to add any more friends, you do have to remove some of your friends. So to remove friends, you can go ahead and open your Snapchat and click on your profile icon at the top left corner. So go ahead and click on My Friends. And then you can just long press on the friend that you want to remove. And then click on Manage Friendship. And you can block, report, or remove them. So if you haven't reached the 2500 friend limit and it is still showing you that error, what you can do is click on this setting icon at the top right corner. So click on I need help and you can just click on my account is compromised and you'll get the feedback form. So go ahead and type in your username, your email address, your phone number, and type in the description of how you're seeing the error of too many friends even though you haven't reached the 2500 friend limit. And then once you type all of this, then you can click on submit at the bottom and then Snapchat team should get back to you. So this is how to fix too many friends on Snapchat in 2 minutes.